Okay, good afternoon students. Today we are going to discuss the topic about inheritance. Generally, what is inheritance means? A class which inherit the behavior and characters from the parent class is called inheritance. Okay. Anyone tell about the types of inheritance?
And the types of inheritance are single, multiple, multi-level, hierarchical and hybrid.
Okay. Can you please explain the concept of multi-level inheritance? Anyone?
The multi-level inheritance is superclasses, subclass is created by superclass, and subclass is divided into another subclass. It's called multi-level inheritance. First, we create a class father, and we give the gender characters m. Void print. We create a method that prints parent class, and we next create a subclass son that extends of superclass father, and int car equal to 5, and we close the class, and we created another class dog extends the subclass son. We creating the subclass for the subclass, and we close the class. This is called a multi-level inheritance. Subclass is created by a subclass.
Let me explain how we create a main class. Here we taken a multi-level inheritance where there is a superclass that inherits the subclass, and also the subclass creates a inherited to another subclass. Here we are creating a main class. So class, this is known as a class name. We are defining a public static void main. Next, we are creating an object for a dog class, a subclass. We are creating an object dog s is equal to new dog. We are creating an object. Then we are calling the functions and the methods that are in a dog class. Okay. Here we print system.print.println s.gender. This will goes to a subclass named dog. Then it will check if it has a gender. There is no gender, right? Then it will goes to a superclass because it is inherited. This goes to a superclass and checks if there is any name gender. Yeah, in superclass we have a character gender is equal to m. So it will access here and print that m. Next we are taking the print method body. In this print method body, it will print the parent class. Next we are going for a system.core. It will access this. That's it.
Anyone explain about the hierarchical inheritance?
So, in a hierarchical inheritance, we create subclasses with a single parent class. Whereas, for example, we are having a class like grandfather, and we are extending it to mother class and then uncle class. So, we are creating two subclasses with a single superclass. So, let's go to the program. So, we are creating a class grandfather, and we are giving the gender as m, and we are creating a method void print, and we are giving the print statement as parent class, and we are closing the grandfather class, and we are creating a next class mother which is extending from the grandfather, and we are changing the gender to f. So we are overriding the data here, and we are creating another class uncle which is extended from the grandfather again, and we are again changing the gender to m. So here we are ending the hierarchical inheritance, and let's go to the main program. So we have created a main class as inheritance, and the main block of the code is public static void main, and we have created objects for two classes here that are an object for a mother class and an object for a uncle class. So for mother class we are creating the object with mother object is equal to new of mother, and for uncle class we are using uncle s is equal to new of uncle class, and we are printing the gender of the mother class with calling its object as object.gender. So it checks the gender in the mother class. So in the mother class we have the gender as f, so it prints as f, and then we are using object.print, so it checks in the mother class. So there is no print method in the mother class, so it checks in the super class. So in the super class we have void print, which prints the statement parent class. So the parent class is printed here, and we are having another print statement as s.gender. So this checks the gender from the uncle class. So checking the gender, it is there as m, so it is printed as m, and then again we are using the s.print, which checks in the uncle class. If not available, it checks in the super class, and in the super class we have the print statement as parent class. So it prints the parent class again.
So we have seen two types of inheritance. One is multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, we can create a subclass. We can create subclass and inherit the characters and behavior from parent class. From that subclass one, we can inherit the another subclass. This is multi-level. And hierarchical means we can create two subclasses and inherit the concept, inherit the behavior and character from one parent class. This is the hierarchical inheritance. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.